next on Rocknife we have another superb knife for you. This set is just beautiful. All the knives are beautiful, aren't they?
They are. They're made from ceramic there, which is zirconium oxide.
Yeah.
And we're going to look at the 4-inch knife.
4-inch knife now, yeah.
And this one, so yeah, I mean, just the material itself, zirconium oxide is a very, very hard material.
Yeah.
Much harder than steel, so you get a much sharper edge on the blade.
They do come with all the covers as well.
Yeah, protect your fingers.
Absolutely, yeah.
and the blade itself. But I would typically use this 4-inch knife for something for a lot of the smaller vegetables and fruit.
Yeah.
So mushrooms, so you can slice mushrooms. The thing is about when you, I mean, you might want to feel how this it is to cut, but slicing through anything, you can just feel how it glides through.
I do. I love these knives because they are so easy to cut with. And the other good thing about them is that you feel as though you're in control. And if you're doing something like this, something delicate, I mean, you want sliced mushrooms for your steak or whatever. You're gonna have a nice peppered steak with some nice sliced mushrooms. Sometimes you like them whole. Sometimes you like them sliced, cooked very quickly. Beautiful. Or doing a stir fry. That's the sort of thing that you would use. But I do like these knives. Now the ceramic is also, it's obviously very, very sharp, so you do feel as though you're in control of these, but they do look fantastic as well. Bit like David and I, they look fantastic. Well, you do. Yeah. Yeah, go on.
No, but they're very distinctive.
Absolutely.
The branding, the
grace anybody's
blades. Yeah, exactly. So I'm gonna just sort of cut up a little bit of basil because that's the sort of stuff that you'd cut with a 4-inch knife.
Of course, yeah. Jump
well
on the phone now, folks. Make the call. All the details are on the screen now. If you want to go on our website, go on the website. You can buy each knife individually. You can buy a set. Have a look at all the different ones there. Great quality, great value, and they look fantastic. Yeah, look at the herbs there.
So there, yeah, I would use that for a lot of different herbs.
Yeah.
Maybe some of the smaller fruit as well.
Yeah. Kiwi.
Or perhaps a bit of ginger. Ginger's always a good one because it's got this quite sort of fibrous inside. But also, you want a small knife like this. This 4-inch knife is great because it'll, you can control it. If you're taking the skin off ginger, you don't want a big knife.
Yeah.
You're happy with a smaller blade, and you get plenty of control.
The thing is, if you did go for a full set of these, because we do have them in sets. If you look on the website, you can see them. You've got all the knives that you'd actually need, wouldn't you? You know, I mean, if you went for this, I mean, this is just one of the knives, but we have got a full set, and you can buy them in all the different colours. They come in with a green handle, a blue handle, a pink handle, or mauve, whatever you want to call it, black, red. You can mix and match as well.
That's right, six different colours. But so here, I mean, this is where you can feel the blade just glide through so nicely, and that's the fibre. The fibre grows that way in the ginger. Yeah. So normally there's a bit of resistance there, but there's very little there, and you just get so nice and fine if that's what you want to do.
Yeah, so, beautiful knives. Yeah. And what about, are you going to say about kiwi, peeling kiwi?
Well, kiwi, we could do a little bit of kiwi. Yeah, I mean, you want to peel a kiwi, but the great thing about them is also the flavour of the fruit can be very delicate, and you don't want the taste of steel, which you can get.
I never thought of that, you see, but it's true.
People talk about this, and especially with tomatoes, you can taste the tang of a steel knife. You don't get that flavour at all. You don't get that taste, and that's so the ceramic. Also, it's a very hygienic material as well. So a lot of young mothers are using ceramic knives to prepare food for their children, their babies.
That's right. And remember, they do come in different colours as well. Jump on the website or make a phone call if you want to know the details. But all the details of each set, of each knife, is on the website as well. You can mix and match, and they do come in a fabulous box. Just let's see the box that they come in. Right, if you're giving this away as a gift, folks, it really is a great gift.
So here we are. That's the box.
Exclusive rock knife as well.
Little flip-top lid there, and then as we say, each one comes with a cover.
Yep. So you got and so it is a superb gift. If you know anybody that does cooking, or you want to give somebody a great present, something that's different, unique, then go for this. Jump on the phone now, make that call. The details are on your screen. It's Rocknife, remember, absolutely brilliant.
The Rocknife 4-inch knife is available for £18.95. You can purchase online at www.rocknife.com. Use code TVW at the checkout or call our phone number 0117 318 0709. All postage and packing for Rocknives is free of charge.